Video of the MS Access, and in this video I will teach you how to create tables in MS Access. And in this video I will tell you two part of the tables how to create. So now just go in the Access. You can go from start all program. After then you can click on accessories, scroll down and you can find accessories, and after then you can scroll down, find Microsoft Office, and you can find in this sub menu of the MS Access. But I will tell you directly go in the MS Access from the desktop. So this is icon of the Access, and you can double click on this, and you can click here create, and click here creates, and this is the window of the MS Access. Firstly I will tell you how to create tables in data sheet view, and you will have to click on create. And first in data sheet view table is you will have to click on the table, and this you can type any names. So I'm going to type Aryan. Here I am typing Aryan Singh, and when you will enter you can go in next field, and you can also type here any other names as like Anand Singh, and you can also click or also use tab button for the go in the next columns. And also you can type here Santosh Yadav, and also you can click here enter or tables buttons, and you will go in the next tables. And also you can type any other names as like you can type here roll number, enter, and then you can click here, and you can also type fees details, and after clicking you will go in the next field. And after completing this you can type here name, any other names, and also in the next field you can type the other names, and all of fields you can fill with the details as like roll number, fees details, and first name, second name also. And when you will complete this pop-up window you can save it, and you will have to click on here tables, and when you will click here right button of the mouse you find save, and after then click here you can save, and you can give here name of any person, place or thing. This I will give here MKD, enter, and this table is saved here MKD. You can also open it by clicking right button of the mouse open, or you can also click here double click, and when you will double click you will find this detail when you have typed before just. And also you can open it, click right button, and you can also click here opens. And this was the data sheet tables, and just I'm going to tell you second tables how to create design view tables. So now I'm going to take new page, and after then I will tell you design view tables. This is new window, and also you can click here create and go after table design, and when you will go in table designs you will find this type window, and this window you can type name, and names types, how many names you can type as like text, memo, number, date and time, query, auto numbers, SNO, all objects, hyperlinks, attachment, calculate calculated and lookup wizard, and this is too much importance when you are writing your name. So just I am going to type and you will see when I will type and select here. So first name is Ajit, and click here next or type buttons, and you can select here any. This is name, so you will have to select text, and you can also type here description details, as like I type here student name. Also you can type here next field as like contact. Here I will type contact, and when you will type contacts as like numbers, so you will select here number, and you can also type here mobile number, and click here also enter, and after then you can type here any other name as like date. I'll select here date, so I will type here admission, and click enter, and you will go in next field, and here you can type here in details any description. I will tell here detail of admission, click enter, and also you can type here related currency and memo. Is the as like any category of the payments receipt, as like I'll fill here fees, and type here memo, and click here description fees receipt. You can also go in the next field as like date and time. Date and time is selected already, so I will change it yes and no. You can also type here related yes and no as like attendance, and click here description as like present and absent. You can also go in next field and also type related as like this ole object related is sound and graphics. You can type here graphics and select ole object, and also in details you can type here it's related to pictures and sound link. You can also go in next field as like hyperlink. You can type here any link of the YouTube and also website, as like I will type here Vidyarthi Sangam Academy, and you can also type here link of the your YouTube channels or websites. Anything you can type here, and also you can go in next field attachment. You can also type here photo and signature as related, and here photo and signature. You can also attachment it, and description is as like anything. Time is going over, so I'll go save it. After then you can save here, and you will save here this